I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create images on your mobile device. So this is good for the free version as well. So let's go to ChatGPT. I do not have the premium version, so this is something that you can do on the free version. So once you're here, you just simply want to type in what you want to see. So let's say, give me a picture of let's go back to that picture of a lake in front of a mountain. And so you will just type it in, you give the prompt, hit send. So that's going to give you a couple seconds. It might generate quickly, it all kind of depends, but it will create the image eventually. As you see, it went through and it made an image. Now from here, you can always edit the image as well. So let's say put a yellow boat in the middle of the lake. So what that's going to do is it's going to take that photo and add this prompt that we asked it to put in. And it's very simple to generate any kind of image that you want within the guidelines of ChatGPT. Now, there's all kinds of AI softwares that you can use, but this is probably one of the more common ones. So it may take a couple seconds to make this image. And that's it. It's super simple. It's super easy. You can get really creative with what you want to make. And if you want to save the image to your actual phone, I like to click on the photo, and then you'll get a save option at the very top. And that way your image is saved to your phone. And that's it.